$1, $2, $4, $5 might not seem like much, but when you can make this over and over again in a day recurrently, then it becomes a big deal. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make nothing less than $2 over and over again in a day, accumulating it to the amounts like $500, $1,000, depending on how much time you've got. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that using Binance Dollar Arbitrage. Now, for this arbitrage, the countries that are involved are Nigerians, Americans, and Ghanaians. Now, if you're a Nigerian, you're going to need both the US friend, a friend in the US, and a friend in Ghana. If you're a Ghanaian, you only need a friend in the US for this to work. You don't need a Nigerian to jump on this arbitrage opportunity. Then, if you're in US, you only need a friend in Ghana for this to work. You don't need a friend in Nigeria. But Nigerians, you need both of these two of them at least before you can jump on this arbitrage. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this as a Nigerian and how to do this as a Ghanaian. As a United States person, it's vice versa. So you obviously know what to do. Now, if you're joining in for the first time, I'm Investor Black and I make videos about making money online. If you're interested in such videos, take a moment to hit the subscribe button, and at the end of this video, if you find value, give me a thumbs up, guys. So without wasting time, let's jump right into the video. But before I go, let me just do a quick explanation on what you're going to be doing. So as you can see, you're going to be sending money to your friend in the US as a Nigerian, and your friend is going to be sending money to your friend in Ghana, and your friend in Ghana is going to return that money to you, and at the end of the day, you'll be in profit. So I'm going to show you that real quick. Then I'm going to talk about the Ghanaian. So as a Nigerian, the first thing you want to do is fund your Binance account with 1,000 USDT. So I'm going to go to this place right here and type in 500k. So once I type in 500k, it's going to narrow it down to people that are selling up to 1,000 USDT. So I'm going to switch to buy. Once I switch to buy, make sure that you're in the buy side. Now, once you are in the buy side, what you want to do next is to click on this button that says buy USDT. Once you click on buy USDT, then you want to put in 1,000 USDT here as the amount you want to buy. Okay, so to get 1,000 USDT, you're going to be spending this amount right here, as you can see. So I'm going to copy this, Ctrl+C, and paste this in my notepad for future reference. So this is how much we got 1,000 USDT as Nigerians, right? So now you have 1,000 USDT in your account. The next thing you want to do is send that 1,000 USDT to your friend in the US using Binance Pay. Now, Binance Pay will not charge you for the transfer. It's free and it's instant. So once you send the money, your friend in the US is going to receive that money instantly, and that will take them to the next phase. Now, once your friend in the US receives 1,000 USDT, he's going to convert it to $1,000 and he's going to send it to your friend in Ghana. Now, he's going to be using this secret platform to send your money to your friend in Ghana. And as you can see on this platform, $1 is 12.1 Ghana cedis. So 1,000 USDT, $1,000 is 12,100 Ghana cedis. And if you notice, these people, they allow you to do transfers for free forever. Okay, free forever. As you can see, that's what they wrote on their platform. Then they also allow you to send directly to Momo, to Airtel, Tigo, to Vodafone, and directly to bank account. So you are not restricted to the method. You can send to any of these accepted payment method, right? Now, once you send your money to your friend in Ghana, he's going to receive 12,100 Ghana cedis. So I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to go back to Binance and switch to Ghana to show you how much your friend is going to use that amount to buy USDT back. Because now your friend in Ghana needs to send you back the $1,000 using Binance Pay. But before he does that, obviously he needs to convert it to USDT. So to do that, I'm going to go back here and change this to GHS. Once it changes to GHS, it's going to show up a bunch of Ghanaians. Now, this place is tricky and I want you to pay attention. As you can see, a lot of people are selling for 12.06, 12.07, 12.08, 12.09. Now, you don't want to sell above 12.06 or 12.07. Anything above that, you're going to be in loss. So to do that, you want to narrow this down. Instead of searching for your $12,000 and seeing people that will sell for 12.10 to you, you're going to narrow this down to about $1,000 to see people that will sell for that 12.06 and 12.07, as you can see, right? And you're going to be buying from these people. So I'm going to use something in the middle like 12.07. I'm going to click on buy here, buy USDT. Then I'm going to buy USDT with the amount that he received. Remember, the amount he received was 12,100. So I'm going to put 12,100 here. And he's going to be receiving $1,000 plus an additional 2.48 USDT. That is a profit, right? 2.48 USDT. Now at this point, I'm going to copy this USDT and we are going to convert it back to Naira to see how much profit the Nigerian is going to make in Naira. So I'm going to switch back to GHS. So I'm going to do GHS and NGN rather. So I'm going to click on NGN. Then it's going to take me back to Nigeria. So once I'm in Nigeria, I'm going to still narrow it down again to 500k. Right? Then I'm going to now switch to sell. Remember, we are selling now. We are no longer buying because we now have the money in USDT received from our friend in Ghana. And our friend sent us that $1,000 plus. So this guy has up to 2 million Naira. So I'm going to paste in the USDT here. $1,000 plus 2.48 on top. And this is the amount you're going to be receiving, 1.1 million. So I'm going to copy this 1.1 million and see if we are going to make profit. So I'm going to go back to my notepad and paste this here. Put a dash in between, Ctrl V to paste. Then I'm going to see if it's profitable or not. If it's not profitable, then we are going to jump back to our friend in the US. Now, as you can see, I can already tell it's not profitable. So what you want to do to be profitable is to sell for lower, right? You want to sell for lower. So instead of searching for 500,000, you can search for 50,000 or thereabout. You're going to see a lower amount. As you can see, these people are selling for 1,148. So if you put one extra zero, you're going to see that it's going to change. Okay. So that is the whole idea. 1149, as you can see. So you want to do something lower. So let me try 5,000. Let's see. 1148. 1145. Okay. So I'm going to do 500,000. Let me paste the 1 million and see. So it's not something you have to actually search for something that is profitable for you. Don't just go and start pasting because I told you this is profitable. So I'm going to do 1 million to see if it's profitable. So 1,148, 1,149. So let's try this. So I'm going to click on sell USDT, this guy right here. Then I'm going to paste in my USD. Okay. So remember it's $1,000. Sorry about that. $1,000, 4.2 or 2.4. Yeah. 2.4. So 1,152,108. I'm going to copy this, go back to my notepad and see if it's profitable. So I'm going to come here, paste this. As you can see, it's still not profitable. So how do you make profit as a Nigerian? You don't go ahead and convert this money. Okay, you don't go ahead and convert this money. What you're going to do is, instead of converting your money immediately, you're going to send this $1,000 plus the profit to your friend in Ghana till the money on top of the $1,000 is reasonable amount than the initial capital you started with. So you're going to do this like 10 times and this will give you $20 on top of your $1,000. So let's just say 20 here, 1,020. and you're going to be making more profit. So if I copy this right now, head back to my notepad real quick. Let's see if we are profitable this time. So I'm going to copy this and paste this. And I'm going to copy this, Ctrl C, minimize it, go to my notepad, and paste the summation here and hit enter. You see that you're going to be making 18,000 naira if you do this 10 times. Okay, and like I said, it's instant. As you can see, instant. Binance Pay is also instant. So there's nothing stopping you from doing this over and over again until you accumulate it to a reasonable profit. So that's for our friends in Nigeria. That's how you can be profitable with it. You can watch this video again to understand why it wasn't profitable initially and why it's profitable now. It's only profitable when you do it over and over again until the money is reasonable, right? Now, obviously, you and your friend is going to split the money at one point. So that's why you have to even do it even more times than normal. Then for our friends in Ghana, this arbitrage also favors you more because you don't need to involve a Nigerian in this. All you need is your direct contact with a friend in the US. And all you have to do is first of all fund your Ghana account with 1,000 USDT, or your friend in the US will fund first, depending on who has the capital. So once your friend in the US funds first, for example, 1,000 USDT, it's going to send you that 1,000 USDT. And that 1,000 USDT, I'm going to copy this. It's going to give you 12,100 Ghana cedis, right? Then I'm going to switch to GH. Okay, GH. So I'm going to switch to GH and show you how much you're going to be making as a Ghanaian. Now remember, your friend just sent you money, so your money is in Ghana cedis. So you're going to switch to buy your USDT, right? You're going to switch to buy your USDT. Now, if you notice, everybody here is selling 12.06, which is highly profitable, but the amount you're about to convert is really high, 12,100. And once you convert that, you see that instead of 12.06, it will now become 12.10, which will not be profitable. So what you want to do is narrow this down to $1,000 instead, 1,000 Ghana cedis instead. Then you're going to see people that are selling for 12.07, right? Which is still profitable. So you're going to look for someone that has up to the amount, has up to your 12,000 Ghana cedis that you are about selling, right? So you can switch to page 2. So these persons all have less. So you're going to go back. This trade has become saturated already, but let me just show you. You can also check it. I've been monitoring this for days and it has been profitable. So we have up to like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 of them. That's about $8,000. So I'm going to do that real quick. So let's assume you have up to the required, this person has a minimum up to your $12,000. You can use this one person and do your trade. All you have to do is click buy again or recurring order, right? So, but since this person doesn't have up to the amount, you buy from this person and buy from someone else as well. So once you put in your 12,000 Ghana cedis, 12,100 Ghana cedis, you're going to be making a profit of 2.48 USDT, as you can see. Now that 2.48 USDT, what you're going to be doing next is that you're going to be sending it back to your friend in the US, okay? And your friend in the US is going to go back to this platform and put 2.48. So he's going to put $1,002 because they don't allow you to put decimal here, as you can see. Or do they? Okay. So assuming they don't allow you, you're just going to put $2. So let's just copy this real quick. Ctrl C. Then you go back to your Binance and paste your new amount and see how much you're going to be making. Okay. So if I copy the new amount, which is 12,130, 12,130, so I'm going to do 130 here. You see that your money will be doubling. So this is now $4 do it again to be $6, do it again to be $8, and so on and so forth. So the more you do it, the more profit you make. You don't want to withdraw your money until you are in a reasonable amount of profit, right? So the same thing for our Nigerian brothers. As at yesterday when I did this, the profit on it was $4, but today making this video, I'm seeing $2. That's because I've already told a couple of my close friends about this, and they've already started jumping on it. So, but it's not too late for you to jump on it as well. Also, if you want to know this platform, all you have to do is contact me, okay? And I'm going to let you know about this platform. If you don't have a friend in the US, I have a friend in the US too. I can link you up together. So, if this video has been helpful, do well to give me a thumbs up. Have a nice day, and I love you guys. Bye.